A very Merry Christmas to you all, Jamaica and the world. It's been both a pleasure and a privilege to have been granted the opportunity to share my daily rants about issues in the world of sports. And as we delve into another Christmas and New Year season, I want to wish all God's richest blessings and good health and strength so you can fully enjoy the festive season. It's a time for giving and sharing and family. Let us keep it that way. Don't overeat or overdrink, or if you happen to do it, don't go too hard. Save some of the sanity and the vanity for after the holidays so we can reignite the engine of everyday life. And look, don't underestimate the value of sport in holding the fabric of our nation together. Let us all enjoy the Christmas and pick up the mission after the holidays. So on behalf of my colleagues here at TVJ, the members of the production, news, and sports teams, everyone who plays a part in the daily sports commentary process, we just want to wish all Jamaica and the world a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. And in case you need a reminder that it's Christmas Day, see that? Merry Christmas from the Maverick Santa! Ho, 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 ho!